Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel. Today I happen to be at soccer practice. However, I'm ending up and I'm taking this wonderful time to dive into the Word of God using the devotional book and the one and only Bible, the Bible. This is a student study Bible. And you guys can check out the description below. Get the same two books if you want. Now, this vlog is about our soccer that we just had. So we had soccer over the weekend and the kids had a blast. They did amazing, and I love making these videos and watching over them and cheering them on. So I hope that you guys enjoy them too. Let's go ahead and roll that intro right after you click that subscribe button.
Greatness did this one.
Here we are at Cohen's soccer game. He just got pulled out, but it is cold out here today. Let's hope the rain holds off. There we go. Cohen's back in. Oh, keep going. Good job, bub.
Great job.
Great throw in.
Go, Cohen!
Let's go, Cohen.
Oh.
Ooh, that was a good kick right there. Another great. Good block, Cohen. Get it. Keep going. Oh.
Go, Cohen!
Good. I think they're a little cold.
Yeah, I think so too. No hat. Well, he doesn't have a hat.
Yeah.
Two of them do. Or the hoodie's up.
Perfect.
Good job, Bubba. Oh, good job.
So close.
Go, Cohen, go.
There you go.
Go.
This way, kick it, boot it. There you go.
Go, Titus!
Nice.
Wait, which way is Cohen supposed to go?
Blue, we're going that way.
That way.
Yeah.
Okay. Go, Cohen.
They're playing a lot of defense.
Okay. There you go. Oh!
Uh-oh.
It tripped him.
They go out or?
Kind of, we tripped every kid on the ground.
Oh.
Come on, guys!
They kind of just piled.
Oh, they're swapping now. The boys are straight across from us. I tried to wave, but they didn't wave back. I think they're about to kick off the second half. Yeah, here we go. Blues off with the ball. Great stole it. Nice hustle. Oh. Blue. I think that was us. I think so. We kicked it out. That's alright. Into the other game. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Kick it in. There we go. Yeah. There we go, Dragons. Alright, Cohen's back in. He's got the green jacket on. I know it's kind of hard to see, but looks like gray kicking.
With your information stuff on it and lay
That's
it
a
there.
good idea.
So it looks like it's made.
Put it in.
Yeah.
I think Blue kicked it out again. Alright, Gray's kicking in again.
Yep,
Right to Cohen. Kick it, Cohen. Boot it.
Go,
Boot it. Get it, Blue. Good job. Yeah.
Go get it, take it!
That was a good kick. Keep going.
Keep going, Bubba!
Cohen just carried the ball all the way down there. Yeah, kick it in. Keep going. Ooh. It might have been a handball. That's alright.
Go, Cohen! That wind is almost through it.
Stick with it.
Oh, let's get it.
Get there, Lincoln.
Take it out, buddy. Come on.
Blue might get this one. Good job, Colin. All the way.
Good job. Go, 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 go.
Yeah.
Come on, Colin. Good job.
Good job, Blue. Keep going. Blue throw in. Colin with my throw. Oh no, went right at the back out. Great ball. That was so close. So close.
He's like, stop.
Oh, let's see. Turn around, Blue. Good job. Well, alright, that's game. So, time to go get some food before the next game.
They must put it made a
We
little
skipped
shorter.
once.
We have to run to Smith's Market.
We'll put some
I think
more
it's
on
like
it.
250. 250.
Because that'll help keep it good instead of being bad.
It's cold.
It was in one of those boxes on that crate. Oh, you do the podcast?
No, just videoing it for the vlog, for the
They were
channel.
like boom, boom, boom. It was funny. It was cool.
I just
Layton's coming in with a throw in. Lily is in as a forward, I think. Yeah. So Lily's over here with the ball. Audie is right back here. Riley's on the bench right now. So we're on the black team playing against the white team. And weather report is still cold, still windy, and I feel like it's going to storm again. That was a good kick by Hannah. Oop, and it's out. Ooh, good try. Oh, that's going to be out. All right, here we go. White's kicking in. Boom. Oh man, that was a good kick.
Move up, bud.
Come on. It's our throw in. It's going straight to Audie, looks like.
Audie.
Just boot that ball. Nice. Oh.
Pay attention.
So close. That was a good shot. And the ball is right into the water. Oh man.
Get up there, Lily.
Nice. Ooh,
No, you're a forward, not a midfield.
nice. There's Audie. Oh, missed it. Oh no. Hannah's got the recovery though. Right up to everybody and get it out of there. Go. Go, Lily. Go, Lily. Go. She got a little afraid there, I think. Nice save.
Turn it inside, Frank. Inside.
Oh, that was a good kick.
Get up, get up, get up. There you go.
Stick with it. Go, Lily. Go.
Go, bud, go.
Good job. Good job.
Forward, hold the ball.
Go, go, go. Go, go. Good job.
Forward, hold the ball.
Missed it, but there's Black's first goal. Pretty good. Pretty good. We got a good team. Good team matchup here. So I think they just rotated, and now Riley's all the way back there.
Forward, stay glued to the ball.
You put his shin guards and everything on the outside.
Yeah, buddy. Let's get it. Oh, good boot right back to the middle, and it's up. It's up. Oh, that was close. Oh my goodness.
I'm not even gonna get.
It's like ping pong, but in the air.
Alright, get up there and help.
I want one
Help.
shot.
Oh, come on, Riley, get that. That's all right. Yes,
Good
yes.
job, Riley.
Stay with it, Avery.
Good
Stay
job.
with it.
Oh, no, jump up.
Keep going.
Kick it again. Keep going, keep going. Here we go. Here's our break free. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, ooh, that was good defense. The ball got too far ahead of him. All right, Black's kick. Waiting a second. Now we're good. Here comes AD. So it's all right. It's all right.
Give him some help. Forward.
Good hustle, AD.
On the ball. On the ball. There you go.
Nice.
Okay, follow it. Follow it. Pick it up. Put it.
Boot it.
Run out, Blue. Black. Run out. Black.
Yeah.
There you go.
I like that. I like that.
On the ball. Push it. Keep it close. Keep it close. Find your side.
No.
Hey, come on. You guys gotta watch your body.
Help him out.
Good job, AD. Stick with it.
Spread out, Black. Spread out, Black. All ball. Get there. Work together. Work together. Work together. Run to it, Ethan.
So White's throwing. Nice, AD. Nice. Hustle, yeah. Stick with it. Stick with it. Oh. Boom. Get that, AD. That's all you. All the way, AD. Good try. Good try. Good try.
Great, go take it. I got it. Lottie, Hannah, Parker, in the middle.
So we got us a corner kick. Nice, dude. Kick it in.
Win, Parker.
Oop. That was good pick up.
Hey, watch the eyes, ID. Watch the eyes. Don't get it. Right, back. Look at the counter.
Oh, there you go.
Watch it. Throw it over you. There you go.
Nice.
White throwing.
Keep going, AD.
Behind you.
Hey, that worked pretty good for him.
There you go. Get a turn, Ethan. Oh, up fast.
Yeah,
Now
pick it
finish
up.
up fast.
Nice. Boot it. That's a good boot.
Push, blah, 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 blah.
Go, go.
Go, Riley, go.
Good try, good try.
Good job.
Good hustle.
Walk it off. You got that. There you go. Don't throw that thing in.
I'm gonna suck at this.
Hey, you got this. You're kicking.
There you go. Get it, Riley.
Turn it. Nice.
Good job,
Stick
Riley.
with it.
Oh,
Hey, watch the eyes.
Follow through.
Tell you where
pull
to
him
throw
right
it.
and get the goal.
Man.
Go, Riley.
Turn it. Good try.
Stay with it.
Oh. There he comes. Yeah, take that. Go, go, go. Get it. Go, go, go. Stick with it. Stick with it. Get it. Get
Stay
it.
with it, Bryce. Stay
Go,
with it.
Riley.
There you go, Rue.
Nice pass. Keep going.
Go, Riley.
Give him some help. Give him some help.
Good job, bud.
Yeah, kick it out.
Good job.
Oh.
You got it.
Hustle, you're all right.
One on.
Go, Riley. Go.
Keep going. Keep going straight with it. Good job.
Stick with it, bud.
Take it back.
Go, Rue.
Forward. Push it, Dakota. Get up
Dang, that kid's quick. Look at him go. Look go, Lily.
Go, Titus.
Ooh, good kick. Good try. Yeah.
Go, AD. Take it back.
Stick with him. We can boot it. Put it back, Leighton. Yeah. Get it back down there. Good job,
Go,
AD.
AD.
Way to go, Audie. Good play, good play. Get to it, Audie. Yeah, we go.
The KU side come to it cold. I know. I think it was going to be like yesterday.
Oh, keep going.
Brian, pick it up.
Pick it up, pick it up. Nice. Boot it, boot it. Yeah. Oh, oh.
That was almost the face. Do it again.
Nice, do it again. Yeah. Oh, man.
Hey, actually, stop that one. I'm not waiting. Fight it, Black. Fight. Fight it. Don't fight. Yeah, pick it up. Boot it. Again.
Boot it.
Go on, Eve. Oh. Go, Hannah.
Protect back, please.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Pick it up. Nice. Boot it. Woo. Turn and go. Go, go, go. Oh, good job. Hey, you're all right. Shake it off. Jump up.
Tennis bro.
Get up, get up, get up.
Pick it up. Who's that ball?
Yeah, there you go. Again. Riley's gonna throw the ball in and then hustle back to the back, back here. They're just swapping out goalies right now. Alright, good. Oh.
Pick it up.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Boot it.
There you go. Nice. Right to Lily. Go, Lily. Come on.
Go! Fight it. Good job.
Woo-hoo. And there we go. That's game. I think it went 2-1. Pretty good. Pretty cold. Let's load it. Alright, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Click that red subscribe button. Head over to our main channel, the Arctic Vet channel. Subscribe there as well. Share out our videos. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers by telling 4 of your friends or 5 of your friends or all of your friends to subscribe to both of our channels. We will grow super fast, and I know you guys can help out. We love and appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day, a blessed week, and we'll catch you in the next one. God bless.